Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me. This is TJ's Maths and Further Maths Adventures. In today's presentation, we are looking at question from Senior School Certificate Examination Neco 2024, Paper 2, Part 1. This is Mathematics. With us here is question 2A and 2B respectively. Question 2A and 2B reads: the fourth and the seventh terms of a geometric progression are 8 and 64 divided by 27 respectively. We are asked to find the first question, Roman numerals 1. We are asked to find the common ratio, Roman numerals 2, the first term. Question 2A, we have to identify question 2A is from which topic, as well as question 2B. Question 2B, we are asked to express 4231 in base 5 in denary. First thing to do is to identify question 2A and 2B is from which topic. Question 2A is from sequences and series, and this is geometric progression. Two types of sequence. We have geometric progression or exponential sequence. Then we have arithmetic progression or linear sequence. Question B, of course, is from number-based system. Let's look at how we can handle this. First thing to do, write down the solution. Solution now to A. Okay? Let's write down the solution to A. The first thing for us to do is to write down the nth term of GP, which is given as Tn equals to AR power n minus 1. Given that A is the first term, R is the common ratio, N is the number of terms. Okay, so when we are talking about fourth term, it means N is equals to 4. So we can substitute anywhere we see N here, we put 4. So T4 now will be equals to AR 4 minus 1. So this will be AR power 3 because 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is our T4. Let's move here to find T7 now. T7 means N is equals to 7. Okay, so T7 now will be equals to AR power 7 minus 1. This will be AR power 6. From the question, we are told that the fourth and the seventh times are 8 and 64 divided by 27. So it means this 8 is for the fourth term. This 64 divided by 27 is for the seventh term. So T4, which is AR power 3, will be equals to 8. Let's call this equation 1. T7, which is AR power 6, will be equals to 64 divided by 27. Let's call this equation 2. So at this point, we can divide equation 2 by equation 1 respectively. What does that mean? We can say equation 2 is AR power 6 equals to 64 divided by 27 divided by AR power 3 divided by 8. Okay, so at this point, let's move here so that we can work on that. What does that mean? It means this A will divide this A. Then we are left with R power 6 divided by R power 3. We apply division law of indices. When the bases are the same and we are dividing, we are free to subtract their respective power. What does that mean? R is common. That will be R. We pick one of the base. Now we subtract the power. That will be 6 minus 3. This will be 64 divided by 27 divided by 8 divided by 1. Because any whole number has a denominator of 1. So 6 minus 3, of course, this will be R power 3. This will be 64 divided by 27 times 8 divided by 1. And if we change this division that's here to multiplication, our numerator will become denominator, then our denominator will become our numerator. Okay? sorry, so here will be 1 divided by 8 rather. Okay? 8 here, 1, 8 here, 8. Meaning 64 divided by 8 is 8. Okay? So let's move here to find the common ratio now. Because we are asked to find the common ratio. Okay? R cubed now will be equals to 8 divided by 27. How can we remove this power 3? We can find the reciprocal of 3, which is 1 over 3, which is the same as the cube root of 3. So, which is the same as the cube root rather. So, here, to do out with this 3, we can say take the cube roots, of what? Of both sides. Take the cube roots of both sides, both the left hand side and the right hand side. That's what we mean now. Okay? So, it means it will have the cube root of r power 3 will be equals to the cube root of 8 divided by 27. This cube root will do away with this. We'll have r now equals to cube root of 8 will be 2 divided by cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 8 means what are the number that you multiply it in 3 places by itself to give you 8 is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So the common ratio is 2 divided by 27. So this is the solution to Roman numerals 1. Let's move to Roman numerals 2. Solution to Roman numerals 2 now. We are asked to find the first term. We can either use equation 1 or equation 2 to find first term. Okay, so let's use equation 1. We can say put r equals to 2 divided by 3 into equation 1. Remember, our equation 1 is ar power 3 equals to 8. It means anywhere we see r here, we put 2 divided by 3. So this will be a times 2 divided by 3 all in power 3 because there's power 3 here. This will be equals to 8. Okay, so let's move here to do that. To achieve that, let's move here. Okay, let's clear this power. We'll have a times 2 power 3 is 8. Then 3 power 3 is 27. Will be equals to 8. A times 8, that will be 8a divided by 27 equals to 8 over 1. Okay? At this point, we can cross multiply. So this will be 8a will be equals to 27 times 8. That will be 216. So let's divide both sides by 8. Divide both sides by 8. A now will be divided by 8. A will be 27. So the first term here is 27. This is the solution to A. So let's move to B quickly. B, we are asked to express solution to B now. Solution to B, we are asked to express 4, 2, 3, 1 in base 5 to base 10. Okay, first number here will have a power of 0, next 1, next 2, next 3. Because to change to conversion from any other base to base 10, we can use two methods, either expansion method or repeated multiplication method. So we are using the expansion method now here. So we start with 4 times the base 5 power 3 plus we pick 2 times the base 5 power 2 plus next is 3. We pick 3 times the base 5 power 1 plus next is 1 times the base 5 power 0. So this is the expansion method. This is what we mean by expansion method. Okay, this will be 4 times 5 power 3 is 125 plus 5 power 2 is 25 times 2. This will be 2 times 25 plus 3 times 5 power 1 is 5 plus anything raised power 0 from one of the lots of indices is equals to 0. So 5 is equals to 1 rather. 5 power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So this will be plus 1. Okay, so let's multiply. 125 times 4 is 500 plus 2 times 25 is 50 plus 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1. So we can sum this now. 500 plus 50, that's 550 plus 15. 550 plus 15, then plus 1. That will be 566 in base 10. That's 566 in base 10. This is in base 10 now. Natural number are in base 10. That's counting number now. Natural number are the counting number 1, 2, 3, 4. They are already in base 10. So we can call this 566. But this number here, we can't call this 4231 in base 5. Is wrong. We can say 4231 in base 5. So this is the solution to 2b. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. In my next video, God's willing, I will solve question 3 as well as 4 in that order. Thank you for watching.